So we're here again in Costa Rica for the second annual animal-based gathering in Santa Teresa. And the original plan was to come in to Liberia and drive down halfway to Santa Teresa and stay at like a little eco lodge. So nothing has really gone as planned so far. We got into Liberia today and there was nowhere to buy a SIM card, first of all, so that's like, no internet, no directions on our phones. We got to our rental car company, and the rental car ended up being about 4 times as much as we had reserved it for. So there was really no way around that one, so we went ahead and paid it. And then we found out that the time that it would take to get to the eco lodge was about like double what was originally what the directions originally said, which at that time would basically put us there at like close to 2 a.m. So we figured we'd just try to find a place here in Liberia. And we went to 2 different hotels that were all booked, and we finally found this little tiny hotel that we paid 54 American dollars for. The original plan was to be in Santa Teresa at 11 a.m., which is when they're starting the whole little carnivore animal-based gathering thing. We're definitely probably not going to make it.
Unless we leave at like 5 a.m.
Yeah, so, and we've got a lot of driving to do tomorrow. So, nothing really has gone as planned, but hopefully we've got all the bad stuff out of the way, and it's just smooth sailing from here, right? Right? But let me give you a little tour of the place that we're staying. So here it is. There's a little fridge. There's a Tyler. There's a couple lamps that don't work. There is an AC, which is quite a find. A TV and an interesting little bathroom here. Here's our dinner tonight, and this is our silverware. So we're getting settled into the hardest bed I've ever slept on. And I actually like a firm bed. This is on another level. Like, this is quite firm.
Bruises in the morning.
Good night.
So I just gotta share that when we checked in last night, the guy at the desk gave us these, and Sam was like, "Oh, that's a nice touch. They gave us chocolates." Habon. That's our soaps.
This is a tiny chocolate.
This is not the type of place that gives you chocolates when you check in.
I was like, this is a nice touch. Alright, so we spent the night in Liberia. Didn't expect that to happen. We didn't get to stay at the Eco Lodge, and couldn't cancel it because we didn't have a phone. But this morning we were able to just like walk across the street to the phone store, and we have internet, so we have maps now, and we're on our way to Santa Teresa. Had some coffee, had some breakfast, and we've got 4 hours ahead of us. Hopefully, nothing comes up and it's just 4 hours. But we're definitely gonna miss the opening for the animal-based group meetup. But
Okay.
Hopefully be there for dinner. We almost ran over an iguana.
Did not. It was like 20 feet away.
He ran out right in front of us and then ran back. So here's the road that we have to take. This is also the road. It seems to mostly be a river. So I came out here to just make sure everything was okay to maybe cross in our rental car. I think so, it's not too deep. It's a beautiful day. Let's see. So there's the car. And hopefully we can get through this little patch of river here. Alright, our adventure continues.
It's our first river crossing in a rental car.
It's like we're playing work and trail or something. Last time we got dengue. Alright, well we did it.
Nobody dies of dysentery. Didn't lose any oxen fording the river this time.
Nope. Alright, and I think we're almost there. Only 1 hour left.
Yep. 1 hour of driving on these gravel roads over the rivers and through the woods.
Oh look, another river that we have to cross in our car. So we keep seeing these stores called ferretarias, and that's obviously ferretaria. That's obviously a ferret store, right? I'm pretty sure it's where they sell ferrets. So I'm pretty excited. Oh, hello! As you can see, we finally made it to our little hotel here. It's called Santa's Cabinas, and we've got our own little private area over here. Got an outdoor kitchen with a little stove and a toaster oven. And this is how they make coffee in Costa Rica here with these little net bags. And let's see what the inside looks like. So we've got 3 beds in this one, so plenty of options. And we've got a pretty cute little fridge right here. TV. Got a nice bathroom. Pretty big shower. And, it's pretty cute. I think it'll work, but I love the outdoor area. Look at these flowers. They're full of really big, scary ants. And it's over here. Well, we made it to the beach and we found a couple carnivores. We missed the meet and greet, but you know, I guess that's our thing, I guess. So we're gonna go to dinner later at 5 p.m. in about an hour. Don't tell the other carnivores.
Never fails. Sam always has to find a stray cat to love on.
A hungry, hungry street kitty who wants some more Manchego cheese.
Yeah, it's a staple of every kitten's diet.
I'm very pleased by this. It's very soft kitten. I approve of this kitten. We are on our way to Paul's house to eat some organ meats and go to the waterfall later.
Is it good? Oh, that's was it good?
Oh, yeah. Me a seafood. Carnivore MD here. Let's see if I can take a bite through a full testicle. So many good nutrients in here: zinc, selenium, cofactors, peptides.
Diego, are you gonna eat some?
For sure. Carnivore MD here. This is one of my favorite organs. This is spleen. It's like a blood sandwich. It's the richest source of heme iron in the human body. Cofactors, splendin, splenopentin, tupsin, immune cells. This is treasured. This is very nutritious. That's how we do it. Like a blood sandwich. Taste it. Get it, Sam. Better not. Maybe they don't see it. Nice. Yeah. What's that?
What is that? Is that the testicle? Maybe I wouldn't go for that.
It tastes like seashell.
Yes. Well done. Carnivore MD here. We've got a feast of raw organs. We had spleen, heart, testicle, liver. I'm going to finish my organ feast with some kidney, an amazing source of riboflavin, a little bit of vitamin A, other good nutrients, zinc, selenium, etc. Grateful for the nourishment these animals give us. This is how we thrive.
Oh yeah, it's not yet. Oh no.
Carnivore MD here. It's time to eat some raw organs. But today, I get to eat my raw organs with 100 plus of my best true seeker friends. Let's do this. You guys.
Let me see. enjoy their testicles?
We're still enjoying that.
We're here above the waterfall. Most people are starting to pack up. Tyler jumped off the waterfall, the big one. How was it?
Good.
It's good. Just like last year.
Yeah.
Saw a lot of girls come out with some bruises, and that was me last year. So I'm good this year. But we found these nice little quiet pools up here, and it's really pretty. So earlier we were at Paul's house, and we tried all kinds of delicious raw organs like testicle and kidney, heart, spleen, and liver. I have not had testicle before, so that was a new one, and it was different than I thought it'd be. Not that bad, really. Actually pretty good. Tastes like scallops. The spleen, I've had spleen before, but this one was a lot better than the last one I had. How was the spleen? Did you have the spleen?
Yeah, it's all right.
And how was the ball in your mouth? How did you like that one?
Tastes like scallops.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad. Surprisingly.
Yeah. The kidneys were not bad at all. Did you have kidneys?
Yeah. The little suet on it.
Yeah, I like the suet. And what was the other thing? Bone marrow. We had bone marrow dug out of the bone by Paul Saladino, and we all ate off of the same spoon. But it's okay because Paul wipes it on his shorts between bites. We all pretty much ate off of the same organs, like some crazy pack of carnivores. So it was a great day. And pretty soon we're going to head back and go to dinner again and eat some more meat.